My name is Taro Sonobe, Head of International Strategy Division of Kyoto University Research Administration Office. Today, my talk is based on the three key concepts. One is cooperation, and then second one is professional and pioneers towards strengthening international research coordination by research administrators. So today, please remember three key concepts of Kyoto University Research Administrator for international research coordination. So cooperation. Kyoto University Research Administrators have been promoting the cross-departmental coordination and international strategy doubled by 2020. Professional. Kyoto University Research Administrators has a diversity of professional skill as well as academic backgrounds of URAs. And pioneers. As a pioneer of URAs, particularly for international cooperation, we have three tools for keeping one step ahead to provide strategic supports, such as overseas center and office. And second one, international symposiums. The third one is internal seeding fund projects. So cooperation. So before establishment of the URA system in Kyoto universities, you can see before that, there was a little bit not enough cooperation and coordination amongst such as president executives, researchers, and then administrators. After the installation of the URA system into the Kyoto universities, our URAs has, as a catalyst of among these three parties, we have contributed as a catalyst to provide a cross-departmental coordination under the international strategy doubled by 2020. The URA, at this moment, we have already 50 members in Kyoto universities. Let me show about what is a KURA. KURA means the Kyoto University Research Administrators. The background is that at this moment, Japanese atmosphere that we face the decline of university management expenses grants, but increase dependence on the external funds. This is one of the issues. And the second one is our researchers facing the complex funding landscapes. And as a result, which increased the administrative burden for researchers. Third one, at the Japanese atmosphere, that we also face a decline of global competitiveness in research performance. So the Ministry of Education launched a program for establishment of a research administration system in 2011. Then Kyoto University, as one of the model of universities, Kyoto University Research Administration Office, so-called KURA, was launched in April 2012 under the leadership of President and Executive Vice President for Research. So this scheme showed that before establishment of the URAs, there was still not enough coordination and cooperation among these several offices. However, after the installation of the KURA, we strengthened some cooperation and coordination for these relevant offices. So KURA consists of the four divisions. One is the International Strategy Division, and the second one Interdisciplinary Division, and third one is Inter-Industry Academia Collaboration and ICT Division, and the fourth one is the Management and the Planning Division. The Kyoto KURA and the right-hand side and the Research and International Affairs Department have been closely collaborate and then support those executive vice presidents and for research and international affairs. In addition, Kyoto University also installed departmental URAs into each department, such as medical departments, North Campus, and Katsura Campus, and Uji Campus, so on. In total, we have almost 50 URA members in Kyoto University to provide a comprehensive support to researchers, as well as those administrators, as well as executive staff. Then we formed the so-called KURA networks to support those systems. Then by collaborating closely with Research and International Affairs Division, particularly for international matters, we closely collaborate with International Affairs Division. As for research things, we collaborate with the Research Promotion Division. We will report this activity to Vice President for Research, as well as the Vice President for International Affairs. And we also closely collaborate with this administrative department to support those managers as the servants of the academic servants. And the professionals. Kura member has a diversity of professional skill and academic backgrounds. So 64% of the URA hold the PhD degrees, which is a quite variety of the professionals, such as engineering, social science, humanities, informatics, mathematics, and agriculture, pharmacology, medicine, architecture, as well as scientific editors or librarians. And at our international strategy divisions, we have 3 missions as an academic coordinator for international research collaboration. The first mission is to supporting the development of the research by planning international collaboration research, and by supporting the acquisition of the external funds, supporting the operation of the research projects. The second mission is to contribute to establishment of international environments for research and education. So we contribute to develop the human resources by using a university internal summer program, and also contribute to create supportive research environments. Based on 2 missions, we will promote global communication by issuing a press release for relevant organizations and media, and producing a communication material related to the international activities, and then dissemination of research results online, and planning and running workshop. So, as a pioneer of URA for international cooperation, we have 3 tools for keeping one step ahead to provide strategic support. The one is overseas center and the offices. So Kyoto University established the representative office worldwide, such as Europe, London, and Heidelberg in Germany, and ASEAN in Bangkok under the WY 2020. The Kura members play a very key role for managing the operation of centers, as well as academic coordinators at the overseas centers. Second tool is international symposium. Kyoto University promoting the exchange of knowledge, skills, and ideas through working together with partner institutes and universities. At this time also, Kura play a role of the academic coordinators for setting up the scientific session, as well as following up the international research collaboration and dissemination. The third tool is the internal seeding fund project. Kura also operates various international university seeding funds, so-called supporting program for interaction-based initiative team studies, spirits, and Isizue, for example. And the pioneers. So Kyoto University launched mainly 3 overseas centers. One is London, the second one is Heidelberg, the third one is ASEAN. The Kyoto University is the only one university to have the URAs at the overseas offices. And then each offices have the 3 members, one the directors and the URAs and administrative staff. So each member play and contribute the key mission. One is supporting research activity in these regions, and the second one is supporting educational activity in the region, and the third one is supporting internationalization, students, faculty, as well as the staff. And the fourth one is strengthening Kyoto University global networks. So let us show some good practice. For example, Kyoto University's Kura office also supports the acquisition of research grants for international research collaboration. So Kura office provides grant writing support by developing the textbook for improving the proposal quality. And we also support the preparation of the proposals and also review and suggest to revise the project proposal. And also, Kura office also provides a mock interview to suggest on how to prepare a concise and captivating presentation to interviews. As a result, there are several examples which already successfully received grants from the government. For example, Kura supported for example, 2 projects. One is the JST JICA satellite project with Thailand. The name is development of clean and efficient utilization of raw coal and biomass by solvent treatments. And the second example is JSPS brain circulation projects, Japan ASEAN Innovative Sustainable Humanosphere projects. We have several good examples which acquire some projects. And another good practice, Kyoto University URAs play a key role for the academic coordinator for 7 very large international symposia between 2030 and 2040. We organized almost 7 symposiums with partner universities such as Bristol universities, Swiss some universities consortium, National Taiwan universities, Bordeaux universities, and Sweden University Consortium. We also contribute the matchmaking for various scientific sessions, which cover the social science, humanities, engineering, medicine, agriculture, so various fields. In addition, we will support to build a partnership between researchers in collaborative research after these symposiums. And another good practice is to strengthen the ASEAN and Kyoto University global networks. In order to develop some strategic partnership between ASEAN and Kyoto universities, Kura or URAs also contribute to develop the effective agenda or coordination of these events. So, toward exploring new horizons through collaboration between ASEAN and Kyoto universities, we will organize a so-called Kyoto University and ASEAN Forum annually. So we will develop some effective agendas to realize this activity. Other good practice is to support, it's a quite recent one, is that to support a new president visit to partner university in Europe. The mission delegates led by our new presidents visited our partner university UK and Germany during the January 29 and February 6th. In order to promote and to realize a very effective meeting with partner universities, Kura member and administrative staff collaboratively prepared the strategic data and documents, and we also participate in the practical discussion with counterpart manager for joint activities such as joint symposia, joint workshop, or coordination of research projects. And we also contribute to bridge the human relationship for new president and vice president. Then, based on that, we try to strengthen the Europe and Kyoto University global networks. So finally, inspire the next. So based on our good practice, we have a competence to inspire the next towards strengthened international research coordination and enterprise. So based on the collaboration with each overseas centers, we will identify the common interest and area among the partner universities and develop the collaborative project towards solving global issues through the function of the Kyoto University overseas centers. So this is last. Thank you very much for your attention.